una vez más a Gloria en la Cocina, que es tu cocina. Hoy, este día, quiero compartir con ustedes un delicioso pan de calabaza para el Día de los Muertos. Pero lo primero es primero, mandil puesto, manos limpias y lista estoy para mostrarte mis ingredientes. To prepare this delicious Halloween pumpkin bread, these are my ingredients. For the bread, we need 2 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon and a half of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of turmeric, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, vanilla. It's the topping. We're gonna need half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of black cocoa powder, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter. Let's get started. Let's make this delicious and amazing pumpkin bread for Halloween at home. I am ready to prepare my baking dish. I'm adding some baking spray and then lining it with paper, adding a little more of baking spray, and then I'm ready to reserve. Here I'm making the topping. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of black cocoa, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. When you mix it, it needs to be crumbly. When you hold it in your hand and you press it down, it makes a little ball, but it needs to be sandy, like sand. And now that this is ready, I'm going to reserve and I'm going to start with the dry ingredients of the pumpkin bread. Here I have 1 cup and a half of all-purpose flour. I'm going to sift it really good because I really want to enjoy this amazing pumpkin bread. I'm adding half a cup of granulated sugar. Remember that all the ingredients are going to be in the description box. This is the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to continue with the wet ingredients. 2 room temperature eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix, incorporate really good until it's nice and foamy. And now I'm going to add the pumpkin puree. I'm going to add it, mix it very well. Once it's well incorporated, I am ready to add it into the dry ingredients. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, this bread comes out really fluffy, delicious, amazing, and the flavor just perfect. And now, of course, I'm going to go ahead and add it into the dry ingredients. Don't forget to add your vanilla extract. Measure with your heart. Mix very well until the dry and wet are completely combined and you don't see any of the white of the all-purpose flour. Once this is done, we are going to go ahead and start by adding it into our baking dish. Look at this. We're going to add it in here. We're going to spread it so it's really nice and spread on the baking dish. And of course, I'm not leaving anything behind because this bread comes out delicious. Once you spread it evenly, you're going to go ahead and start adding the topping and add everything on the top. You really don't want to see anything of the orange on the bottom. You don't want to see anything. You want to cover it completely. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 1 hour. Every oven is different. But when you put a stick in the center and you take it out and it's clean, that means your pumpkin bread is ready. My home smells amazing, delicious. And now I am ready to pull it out, put it on the rack, and let it come to room temperature before I sliced a piece. And let me tell you, it's so tempting that I really want to slice it right now. But I'm going to put the decorations for Halloween. Look at this. This really comes out amazing, delicious, and I can't wait to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I'm going to slice a piece for myself. Look how fluffy this is. I'm ready to enjoy. I'm ready to slice a piece for myself and for the presentation. And I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready to taste this amazing pumpkin bread for Halloween. Look at this. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The top crunchy, the bread, oh my God. So soft and so moist. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing pumpkin bread for Halloween. Yes, the top is so crispy, the bread is so moist and fluffy, the flavor just amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this spooky pumpkin bread for Halloween. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.